Hello and welcome to www.noradforyou.com. In this video we will see the constant RF radiation emitted from a DECT cordless phone in two locations: when the base station is on the desk and when located next to the bed. These two cases are the worst regarding the exposure to the RF radiation, and they should be avoided. On the desk, power is on. The meter shows constant RF radiation at about 10 mW per square meter, 1 microwatt per square centimeter. The closer and longer the user will be next to the phone's base station, the exposure will be worse. The emission is constant even without making any calls. Power is off. In the bedroom, power is on. Constant RF radiation at about 10 mW per meter square, 1 microwatt per square centimeter. The closer the user sleeps next to the base station and the longer he sleeps, the bigger the exposure. Power off. Be sure to visit our site. Thanks for watching and see you next time.